Class 7. Role of the government in health. Give some water-borne disease. Answer. Example: diarrhea, worms, hepatitis, etc. Question number 2. What do you mean by public health? Answer. It refers to the health of general public. Question number 3. Who runs public health care system? The government runs the public health care system. Question number 4. In what kind of hospital patients see long queues? Answer. Patient usually have to see long queue in public hospitals. Question number 5. What does RMP stands for? Answer. Registered Medical Practitioners. Question number 6. What do people in democratic country expect from the government? Answer. In democracy, people expect the government to work for the welfare. Question number 7. What do you mean by living standard? Answer. Living standard refers to the quality of housing, material comfort, and wealth experienced by an individual or group. Question number 8. What are communicable diseases? Answer. These are diseases that are spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, food, air, etc. Question number 9. What are the factors that affect our health? Answer. Disease, drinking water, adequate food, sanitation, environment, and mental health are the factors that affect our health. Question number 10. Why did Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS file in case in the court? Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court because the indifferent attitude of all the hospitals that refused to admit him. Question number 11. What happened to Hakim Sheikh? Answer. One evening in 1992, Hakim Sheikh accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He was in very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. Question number 12. What is OPD? Answer. This is the short form of outpatient department. This is where people are first brought in and treated in a hospital without being admitted to any special ward. Question number 13. Why are women not taken to doctor in a prompt manner? Answer. Women are not taken to a doctor in a prompt manner because women's health concerns are considered to be less important than health of men in the family. Question number 14. What do you understand by public health care system? Answer. This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. It has the ability to look after the health of large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of villages. What do you mean by medical tourist? Answer. This refers to foreigners who come to this country specifically for medical treatment or at hospitals that offer world-class facilities at a lower cost than they would have to pay in their own countries. Question number 16. What did the court ask the state government in Hakim Sheikh case and why? Answer. Hakim Sheikh was denied treatment at various government hospitals. Therefore, the court asked the state government to give him the money that he had spent on his treatment. Question number 17. How can we prevent and treat illness? Answer. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities such as health center, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulances service, blood banks, etc. that can provide the required care and services that patients need. Question number 18. What do village health workers do? Answer. At the village level, there are health center where there is usually a nurse and village health workers. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center, shortly known PHC. Question number 19. Why government hospitals are less expensive as compared to private hospital? Answer. The government uses tax money for providing many public health services for the benefit of all citizens. Therefore, government hospitals are less expensive as private health services are run for profit. The cost of these services is rather high. Question number 20. In order to earn more money, these private services encourage practices that are incorrect. Comment. Answer. In order to earn more money, these private services encourage practices that are incorrect. At the time, cheaper methods, though available, are not used. For example, it is common to find doctors prescribing unnecessary medicine, injection, or saline bottle when the tablet or simple medicine can sufficient. Question number 21. Why are the poor people more likely to fall ill? Answer. Those who are poor are in the first place undernourished. These families are not eating as much as they should. They are not provided basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc. And therefore are more likely to fall ill. The expenses on illness make their situation even worse. Question number 22. What are the functions of public health system? Answer. Functions of public health systems are to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost so that even the poor can seek treatment, and to take action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. Question number 23. What are the important aspects of public health system? Answer. One of the most important aspects of the public health system is that is mean to provide quality health care service either free or at low cost so that even the poor can seek treatment. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, and cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. Question number 24. What are the different ways through which the government can take steps to provide health care for all? Discuss. Government can take following steps provide health care for all. Point number 1. By increasing healthcare facilities such as hospital, ambulance services, etc. Point number 2. By organizing free health checkup camp, especially in the rural and backward areas. Point number 3. By spreading health related awareness among the people. Question number 25. Improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Explain with the help of example. Answer. Water and sanitation are the basic necessity for maintenance of proper health. Use of contaminated water can cause disease such as cholera, skin disease, and can also cause cancer, reproductive problems, typhoid, and stomach ailments. Sanitation is important for all, helping to maintain health and increase lifespan. Poor sanitation causes infections, disease, including cholera, typhoid infections, hepatitis, polio, and uh, parotitis, and ascariasis. Thus, improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. All the best. Revise regularly.